Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Crypto Takeover coming back with another Bitcoin analysis video. Bitcoin reaching all the way up to 13K. Are we headed that way? We just broke through some resistance right at about that 12.5K area. You can see a nice little wick here on our charts from a little bit of sell pressure, maybe some sell walls right at about the 12.5K area. This is really exciting times for Bitcoin, so I'm really happy for y'all to be joining us today on the video. Apologies about the video yesterday with a little bit of a microphone error on my behalf, but I did put out a video for our Patreon members, but we want to make sure that we are providing to the public too as well. So go ahead and stick around for this video, and let's get started. All right, folks, if y'all are brand new to this channel, we use the Market Cipher Indicator by CryptoFace alongside with the TI Sequential by ToneVase and the Market Guide buy and sell signal. So y'all can check the links in the description box below if y'all are interested in picking up some of those indicators as well. Market Cipher, there is a special running right now for 50% off of the Market Cipher Indicator package, which includes Market Cipher A, B, and SR. When you come over here and fill out the form, if you're interested in picking up that Market Cipher Indicator package, the unique ID for the referral program is your unique ID, so that way you can resell Market Cipher if you'd like to in the future as well. But you can check the links in the description box below. There is a referral program, so you would be supporting me if you did decide to buy the Market Cipher Indicator package. So with that being said, folks, let's go ahead and tune in here. So we're taking a look at the one-day chart with Bitcoin, seeing what's going on here, and we are breaking through major resistance right now at the 12.5K area. We've broken through some of our support line or our resistance lines on our 4-hour chart. As you can see here, our 4-hour chart had one major resistance line right back at the 12K area, and we have broken through that. And then our 12.5K area, which we did wake up to a couple of months ago, we have broken above that too as well. So now we're just on a steady up climb. There really isn't much resistance for us from here. So even if we are to zoom out on our daily time frames, you can see 20K is not that much further up to the top side, to be honest, folks. And we could be headed there relatively soon. And I'm going to be really excited. So right now, really what we're planning on doing, obviously, I would say a low leverage long is okay if you're wanting to do that. But, Bitcoin does like to pull back sometimes. It does like to have its little 30% pullbacks, especially during bull run markets too as well. As you can see here, we did have our nice little pullback from the top to the bottom here. And let's just curiosity, how much was of a pullback was this? I don't think it was a huge 30% pullback, but around 20-25%. And now we're making another leg to the upside. So I definitely feel like 13K, possibly all the way up to the 14K area, is definitely in the books. It's right around the corner for us, probably headed into the elections. More likely, I'm thinking that our Mercury retrograde little purple box here is going to continue to be bullish all the way until November 3rd. We're looking for probably at least mid 13K, if not going into the 14K area by November 3rd. So that's kind of, Bitcoin is definitely looking relatively bullish as of right now. We do want to find out where we found support at during this pump. So if we're looking at the 6-hour chart, we can see that we bounced off of the 21 EMA and continue to rise up. So what we're looking at is maybe some more consolidation around the 21 EMA area on the 6-hour, which is, it's a little bit under the 12K area. Even if we are to zoom out here just a tad bit, even on our 2-hour, I would say let's keep an eye on our 2-hour for the most part. We could come back down to retrace all the way to 12.1 possibly, but Bitcoin is ready to start just ramping up here for the most part, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down. Our money flow on our lower time frames are just steadily inclining too as well, and Bitcoin definitely looks like it's probably ready to take off. So folks, this is a great time to be in this market right now, and you are still early to the game if you are thinking that if you're FOMOing into this as of right now. But I'm giving my Patreon members a somewhat of a trading plan for this too right now as well, and they're going to be ready for whatever is to happen all the way until the elections. But right now what we're kind of looking at is probably more or less a continuous bullish rise here all the way until the election takes place, and then we'll have to see exactly what's going to happen there. Maybe we'll have a little bit of a sell-off, but we're going to have to wait and see what happens until then. Let's take a look at the dollar index, and another chart that we were wanting to look at yesterday was our Bitcoin dominance chart too as well. As you can see, most of the altcoins have also been selling off here as Bitcoins continue to rise to the upside. And with our dominance chart, we can see that we've broken through major resistance here on our daily time frame, and we're continuing to the upside here. Money flow is definitely moving back into Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance chart is looking relatively bullish as of right now. So I would imagine seeing these altcoins starting to consolidate out to the side as Bitcoin continues to rise too as well. And we are also I'm also letting my trading group Patreon members know exactly what altcoins we're going to be taking a look at too as well. So we have our eyes on a few different altcoins that we're in heavy accumulation of. I've already told them what altcoins I'm dollar cost averaging into, and if y'all would like to get a little bit more information about that, feel free to come over here and join us in our Patreon membership page. So if y'all want to come over here and join us, I think we only have maybe 3 or 4 spots left right now. It looks like someone else did just join this morning too as well. So I would definitely come over here, recommend that you get signed up for our trading group page. The 35% off special, there's only a couple of spots left for this, but I'm letting my Patreon members know exactly what altcoins we're looking at too as well, and how we're maybe low leveraging this market, this Bitcoin market too as well, just to stay safe and to make sure that we are in accumulation as we continue this bull run, right? So come over here and check it out, folks. Links in the description box below. And hey, we're getting a lot of new followers in this page, so I really appreciate everyone sharing these videos, liking, commenting down below, letting me know some feedback and stuff too. But if you are brand new to cryptocurrency and brand new to this market, I would highly recommend that y'all take a course, a beginner course, and we have a beginner crash course available on the Crypto Takeover channel too as well. So if y'all want to come over here and take the beginner course, it lets you know how to start getting familiar with exchanges, how to start dollar cost averaging, how to store your crypto safely. We give suggestions on all the software wallets and hardware wallets that I've been using for the past 3+ years inside of this crypto space as well too. And then also we go over some reviews on some altcoins and maybe how to earn some passive income inside of the crypto space too as well. So if you want to come over here, and if you are brand new to cryptocurrency, I would highly recommend that y'all check out this course. The early bird special is still going on right now, so come over here, check it out. Links in the description box below if you're interested in joining us there. So let's go back over here to the charts, folks, and let's see what's happening here. So let's take a look at the total coin market cap just to see relevance here on what we might be taking a look at. Total coin market cap is still at an all-time high as of right now. From, I would say, all the way back, if we even zoom out here just a tad bit, we still have some more room to the upside, but it definitely is looking like, especially on these higher time frames, we're not really seeing a lot of resistance as of right now, and it does look like we're going to continue probably further up here, and we probably want to see us get back up above this support line here, and then maybe continue up further. But I would say that Bitcoin more or less is going to have the most bullish chart compared to anything else that is on the markets right now too as well. If we take a look at the DXY, we're going to jump on over here to the DXY. We can see the DXY is continuing to sell off as of right now. We never got above our resistance point, this green trend line here on our daily. So I do believe that there is another stimulus package that is being talked about and in the works of getting passed to right now as well. So if that is to occur, I would say all the way until November 3rd, more than likely that the stimulus package will be passed before November 3rd to help, get on the good side of some of your politicians, as you may have it. And with that being said, it's definitely looking like the dollar index is ready to come down even a little bit further too as well. Seeing some some red dots here on the 2-day, the 3-day sell signals too as well. And one thing that I did want to take note of was that our Wells buy and sell signal was also giving us, it had given us a sell signal here on the 3-day. Yeah, so I would imagine that these sell signals will start to pop off a little bit more, on our dollar index too as well. If we go back into Bitcoin and see what our Wells buy and sell signal was giving us too, is, we can also see that we had gotten a confirmed buy signal all the way up until, if we turn it back on here, we've gotten it all the way up until our 5-day and our 6-day. So I let our member group know as of yesterday, before this pump actually happened, inside of our trading group page, I said, hey guys, on the Discord channel, the fact that we did get this buy signal here on the 6-day, I said, hey, this looks like a major pump about to come in soon. And then we're probably expecting a weekly buy signal to then occur too as well, and continue further up to the upside here. So whenever that appeared yesterday, I was like, okay, I need to let my members know. You can see here, definitely looks like the next launch to 12.5K. We just got a buy on the 6-day, and that means the weekly will do the same, but most likely a big push to the upside. So this was yesterday at about 10:25, and this was before the big push to the upside. We were still underneath 12K, and this would have been a nice trade to take too as well. That definitely was a good confirmation to say that, hey, looks like Bitcoin's ready to do something crazy here. Get ready. But guys, y'all can get all that information if you join the Patreon group. Once you join the Patreon group, I will message you and ask you for your Discord username. Once you send me your Discord username, I'll give you access to our private category on our Discord server as well. But folks, the Discord server is available to the public. There's just private categories in there for the trading group and also for the beginner course too as well. But you can come over here and join us in our Patreon, in our Discord page if you'd like to. Once you click the link to join the Discord page, and we're already pushing through to 12.9, guys. This is crazy. So you definitely want to come join us right now. Come discuss with us. Join the Patreon page if you're interested, and I'll give you access to the Discord server. And then, folks, we are on our way to 3,000 subs here relatively soon. We're doing a $100 giveaway once we hit 3,000 subs in our favorite altcoin. So make sure that you share this video so that we can continue to grow the channel too as well. And, once you get signed up for our newsletter, then you will be automatically qualified for our $100 giveaway in one of our favorite altcoins. And we'll do that drawing live when the time comes. And folks, don't forget our Telegram announcements page is available if you want to come over here and join us in our Telegram announcements. We ask about what altcoins that you would like to see us review on our videos too as well if you join us in our Telegram group. But other than that, folks, we're going to take a look at a few more charts here. I did want to take a look at gold and silver and kind of see what is going on there, and then maybe the S&P and see what's happening there with the S&P too. So if we look at the gold and this is the silver chart here on the daily, bouncing off of our trend line support here too as well. It looks like silver is still probably ready to make another move to the upside, hitting about $25. I think yesterday when we were trying to record the video, it was right at about $24 too as well. But it definitely is looking like we're probably going to be ready to start moving back to the upside here, having buy signals all the way up until our 5-day, up until our 4-day chart at least as well. So last time our buy signal was on our 4-day. We definitely got a nice little rally to the upside there too as well. So this is what we're kind of looking at right now with silver, and then maybe with gold, probably something very similar to this as well too. No sign of a buy signal there on our 4-day. We are finding support at the 21 EMA, and definitely looking like we're probably about ready to have some more green dots on these time frames too as well. And then I did want to also take a look at the S&P too as well. So if we go on here to traditional markets and we take a look at the S&P, see how the stock market's doing right now, I would imagine that we are going to maybe, as of right now, it looks like the stock market's probably like a little bit hesitant to maybe sell off just a tad bit here on our daily. So Bitcoin, obviously the most bullish chart on any of the markets right now. If you aren't in Bitcoin, what are you doing? So go ahead and get started, folks. And if you want to learn a little bit more about how to get started, you can come over here and check out the Path to Cryptocurrency course, or join us on our Patreon page as well too. But other than that, folks, I think this is going to be about it. If y'all want to start earning passive income, I'll give y'all a few freebies here. The Brave browser is a great way to start earning BAT token by clicking on the bottom right hand corner whenever ads appear, and then you get paid out every single month in BAT token, a little percentage of clicking the ads in the bottom right hand corner. They're very non-intrusive ads too as well, but it's definitely a great way to browse the internet and also get paid to do it. So then also we have the CryptoTab browser, which allows you to mine Bitcoin straight from your computer. So come over here, use the link in the description box below to sign up for the CryptoTab browser. I run this on 2 other computers that I don't really use anymore, but they're just mining BTC for me. You can also download it on your phone. Maybe have an older phone that you don't use anymore, and then have that phone mine Bitcoin for you just by using this browser here. So you just log in with your Gmail, and then you can pretty much access your CryptoTab browser from any device. But definitely a nice way to earn some passive income, folks. And then also, Market Cipher is available 50% off right now. CryptoFace said that this is his biggest deal, and he will only be maybe leaving it up for another week or so. But once you sign up, remember the referral program, your unique ID referral is for you to resell Market Cipher. So this is something that you make up that makes sense to you. This is not my username. This is something that you use to resell Market Cipher. So guys, if y'all want to come over there and sign up for that, y'all can. Market Cipher is our bread and butter on this channel. It is our go-to indicator, and it is 50% off right now too as well. So I highly recommend that y'all come over there and join that. You get access to his Discord server too as well. And then without further ado, folks, I think that's about it for today. Bitcoin, definitely one of the most bullish charts here on TradingView right now too as well. And then we're going to be taking a look at some of the altcoins for our Patreon members. So if you want to come over there and join us in our Patreon page, that is available. And folks, don't forget to share this video if you found it interesting and if you enjoyed it. And with that being said, stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all in our private trading group page. Peace.